May 2025. Romania officially authorizes its military and NATO forces on its soil to shoot down unauthorized drones entering its airspace. This is no hypothetical policy. It's a direct response to Russian drones crossing the border amid the ongoing war in Ukraine. Romania's new law is firm, deliberate, and procedural. It gives the military the green light to neutralize, take control of, or, if necessary, shoot down foreign drones, especially those traced back to Russia. Before a drone is destroyed, strict steps must be followed. 1. Locate and identify the drone. 2. Attempt communication. 3. Intercept and fire warning shots. 4. If the drone persists, it can be taken down. Manned aircraft, however, can only be engaged if they attack or act aggressively during interception. Romania, a NATO member, shares a long border with Ukraine. And lately, Russian drone fragments, some still carrying explosive charges, have landed on Romanian soil. These repeated incursions triggered this bold legislative move, a message that Romanian airspace is no longer a no-consequence zone. This law doesn't just affect Romania. It sets a precedent for NATO, for Russia, and for international airspace norms. And it's not just Romanian forces who can act. The law explicitly allows NATO troops, like the French-led multinational battle group, or the U.S. 101st Airborne Division, to respond to violations. Permanent Battle Group, 1,500. U.S. Rotational Brigade, 3,000 to 4,000. Military Exercise Troops, 4,000. With thousands of NATO troops rotating through Romania, the law reinforces collective defense and readiness. So far, the Kremlin has made no formal statement. But analysts say the law has irritated Moscow. And while President Putin is reportedly angered, he's unlikely to escalate militarily, knowing a direct conflict with NATO could invoke Article 5. Instead, Russia may use future drone incidents for propaganda, painting NATO as the aggressor while still probing the alliance's red lines. Romania's new law is more than national defense. It's a line in the sky, a signal to Russia, and a reminder to the world.